Hi, I'm Ash and this is Lockie. For the past 3.5 years, we've lived out of our tiny home to explore Europe. We packed up our lives in Australia to experience new places and do new things. After 3.5 years, one pandemic and thousands of kilometres later, we cross into Slovenia. Join us and subscribe to our channel as we explore Slovenia together. This morning we have woken up for the last time in Croatia, and today we are headed into Slovenia towards the capital of Ljubljana. Something like that. Anyway, we are not far from the Slovenian border now, so that's very exciting. We've not been to Slovenia before, so a quick trip through on our way back to Austria. Into Slovenia. No border checks, just drive straight through, no one was even there. So as usual, I jumped the gun and there was checks. We went out of Croatia into Slovenia, had to show passports, got them stamped leaving Croatia, then checked again into Slovenia. He checked the van to make sure it was just a camper van, and now we are in Slovenia and on our way. So yay for the second time. Just arrived in the capital Ljubljana in Slovenia. So we were actually just looking online at things about the capital yesterday, and it actually came up on their visit page that they got the European Capital of Culture for 2022. So pretty cool. So we are very glad that we could make this stop to come and see it. Some kind of wine festival or something on today. It's pretty busy. What do you think of Ljubljana?
Very beautiful city.
Yeah.
Lots happening.
Definitely feel more of an Austrian-German vibe coming back in the capital. And it is about 10 degrees, so it's definitely fresh. The taste of winter.
It's the best.
Hot almonds.
It's the best. It's up there with pistachio gelato.
Be cool. It's currently 6:45 in the morning and we're waiting for the sun to rise, if it does rise through the clouds, at Lake Bled in Slovenia. So we drove here after our day in the capital yesterday, and we had dinner at a really nice Slovenian restaurant here, eating some of the local recommendations a guy told us we had to try, which was like a mushroom soup, and also they do a kind of dumpling here. So we tried that and it was really good. But very beautiful here at Lake Bled, but I don't know, there's a lot of clouds, so it's not looking great for Lockie and his sunrise photo potentially. What do you think of the weather?
Fucking shit.
Oh, wow.
What did you say before? Oh, let's go. Oh, the weather's not good. I want to go home.
You should see your face.
And have coffee because my name's Ashley and I get what I want.
That was very scary.
That's surprisingly the truth.
No, not the truth.
The people know Ashley by now.
Yeah. They know what?
They know
That you talk crap.
No,
yes.
that you are
the superior one.
Yes, you think you're the superior one, like every other dictator in the world. And I think the people have enough.